Just don't drop my phone or anything. That's it, man.
Okay.
Thank you. Are you filming?
Yeah.
I'm Daniel Vanilla. I'm gonna go swimming at my local.
Some of this?
No.
It's probably heated by some of that sewer water over there. I hate squash!
Trunks under my pants would come in handy one day.
Actually go in it, like, try to float.
Dude, I'll take off my shirt and go in here. You guys want to hold my shirt?
Sure.
You guys want to hold my shirt?
Trying to like it.
Why put it on the grass?
You guys want to hold my shirt?
Yeah, sure.
I'll hold it. Let me see if more repulsive underneath.
What is this, like Onyx? What's wrong with it? It's all wet.
I'm swimming!